How to delete REDnote account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you on how to delete REDnote account. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First, launch REDnote app on your phone and make sure you are on the home screen of REDnote. Log into your particular account and access the settings. To do that, tap on the three-line icon at top left corner of your screen. Navigate to the bottom of your screen and tap on Setting Gear at bottom left corner of your screen. Once you are under settings, you need to simply go to Account Security, which is usually at the top. Now scroll down and select Account Cancellation at bottom of your screen. Verify your account. If your account is linked to a phone number, enter the one-time password, that is OTP sent to your number. Check mark the box at the bottom center of your screen. And you can even use Google Translate for unclear text if needed. Select a reason for cancellation and tap the rate button at the bottom to confirm. Then your account will be deleted. As you can see that we are on the login section, that means the account deletion process has been successful. I hope this guide helped, and if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe.